Good morning, welcome to Travel on a Budget. And this morning I would like to show you how I make my breakfast under 5 minutes. Coffee and omelet. Here it is. My ingredients for today: bits of bacon, 2 eggs, shredded cheese, salt and pepper, onions, slices of cheese here, and coffee. I'm gonna put the coffee first while I prepare my eggs. I put them in this bowl and I mix everything in a bowl with cheese, bacon, salt and pepper, and mix it. First, I'm gonna put this in the bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna have my coffee ready. Going to be in a few minutes, and I'll have my mixture here. This is my coffee is in the microwave. I'm mixing my bacon, eggs, shredded cheese here, put some pepper, I like a little bit of garlic powder, and salt. Here we are. And maybe just a pinch of, that's it. And I mix it. Yeah, after I pull out my coffee, I'll put this mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds. Yes, I just took my coffee out of microwave, and this is my omelet here. Take it in. Only I put 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it looks like this. So I take my fork, and it's still not cooked, but I won't mix it again. I mix it around again. And cheese is melted, and everything I want to be like really good. And put it again for 45 seconds. And this is gonna look like this. And I try to mix it again. It's already done. And add a little bit of cheese. It's all still hot, and I have a slice of pepper jack cheese on top, and I'll wait until it melts. And now I will try to show you how I remove those coffee filters, which I didn't show yesterday. Here what I do. The reason why I put 2 coffee filters, because the fuzz might go through the first one, so I have a second one protection, so I don't have much fuzz in it. Here it's out. And I'm folding carefully the second filter too. So I just grab the edges, fold like an envelope here. It's kind of hard to see. I don't have a camera from above like kitchen shows, but you get an idea. Check it out. And just wait until it drips. If it was sitting for a while, it's not so hot, so you probably can squeeze it and accelerate the process. ready. And sometimes I like my coffee sweet. I use condensed milk. I put some condensed milk into a coffee cup. And then this is my final product. Omelet. See, the cheese melted nicely on top. Black coffee. Mostly I take it black. Sometimes I use condensed milk and add condensed milk here. And I have coffee with milk today. And I guess I'll have a couple of cookies. Yep. From here. Oatmeal cookies. Now I will enjoy my breakfast. Thank you for joining me. This is Breakfast Under 5 Minutes by Ihor. See you at next videos.